DeepSeek AI versus ChatGPT. Which AI is the most intelligent? Artificial intelligence is evolving at an incredible pace, and two of the hottest names today are DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. But which AI understands you better? Which one provides better support? And most importantly, which AI will dominate the future? If you're looking for answers, this video is for you. Stay until the end so you don't miss any crucial insights. The two contenders. Which one is superior? Before diving into the details, let's quickly introduce our two AI powerhouses. DeepSeek AI. Developed by a Chinese research team, DeepSeek AI specializes in deep contextual analysis and precise data processing, making it an excellent choice for research and specialized applications. ChatGPT. Created by OpenAI, ChatGPT is renowned for its natural communication skills, content creation abilities, and support for multiple languages. It is widely used across various platforms for learning, writing, programming, and even casual conversations. So, when put head-to-head, which AI has the edge? Let's break it down in detail. In-depth comparison: DeepSeek AI versus ChatGPT-1. Understanding and answering questions: which AI is smarter? DeepSeek AI tends to provide concise and direct answers, focusing only on the essential information. This is great when you need quick, precise responses. ChatGPT, on the other hand, provides detailed explanations and expands on topics, helping users grasp the full context of their inquiries. Final verdict: if you prefer brief, accurate responses, go with DeepSeek AI. If you want an AI that explains and elaborates on ideas, then ChatGPT is the better choice. 2. Content creation. Which AI is more creative? ChatGPT excels in content creation, writing SEO-friendly articles, crafting marketing copy, and even generating scripts. That's why many content creators, bloggers, and marketers prefer it. DeepSeek AI, on the other hand, focuses more on accuracy and structured data, making it a strong choice for scientific research, data analysis, and technical documentation. Bottom line, if you're a content creator, marketer, or blogger, ChatGPT is your go-to AI. But if you're in research or data analysis, DeepSeek AI is the better fit. 3. Accuracy and up-to-date information. Which AI is more reliable? DeepSeek AI has an advantage in processing the latest data, allowing it to stay more up-to-date and precise. ChatGPT, depending on the version, might sometimes provide outdated information, especially if it lacks web access. If staying up-to-date with real-time information is your priority, DeepSeek AI has the advantage. But if you need an AI for conversation, brainstorming, and creative writing, ChatGPT is still the superior choice. 4. Response speed. Which AI is faster? ChatGPT is generally faster when responding to common questions. DeepSeek AI may take a little extra time to process complex data, ensuring a higher level of accuracy. If you need quick and fluid responses, ChatGPT is slightly better. But if you prioritize accuracy over speed, DeepSeek AI is the way to go. So, which AI is better? The answer is, it depends on your needs. Choose ChatGPT if you want an AI that's creative, conversational, and excellent for marketing and content creation. Choose DeepSeek AI if you need an AI that specializes in research, data analysis, and precise information processing. Which AI do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget, hit like to support the channel. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest AI trends. Share this video so more people can see it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.